Hey there, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, or welcome if you're new. So this protein powder right here, the Orgain protein powder, I'm gonna talk about it. I will start with the pros of this. So I am dairy free, and finding a protein powder that was going to help me stay that way was kind of challenging at first, until I came across this bad boy. This protein powder, I actually got it on sale during Amazon's Black Friday. That was the first time I tried it, and oh my gosh, I never went back, ever. It's been months now, and I'm still taking in this because it is so good. And I love how the company's mission is to have clean nutrition. I'm all about having things that are high quality and just the best option for your body in general. I do have ulcerative colitis, so I have to be really mindful about what's going in my body. So this definitely passed the test for me when I was choosing protein powders that would help. So the cons of this protein powder is that it is super thick compared to other protein powders that I've consumed. This is the thickest of them all. So mixing it in with oatmeal, chia seeds, things that expand and get thicker or make things thicker. This is already a thick protein, and then when you add thicker things to make it thicker, it's just thickening all over the thicking place. So it gets thick. So it makes you feel fuller, which if you want that feeling, okay. If not, then that might be an issue. The best way for me to consume this when I don't want to have that thick feeling is to just blend it with some almond milk and ice. And that's usually how I'm able to, drink it like it's chocolate milk pretty much. Also, when it's put into smoothies, I have to be mindful of what thick ingredients that I'm going to be adding with it, because this will take up some space too. Another thing that I didn't like about this is that it's only 21 grams of protein, but I did realize that they have a sport version, which is the full 30 grams that you would see for sports proteins. So that's probably why. It's not really a bad thing. It's just I just didn't know that other product existed. So this is probably just for general health, but I do take in protein for building mass. So I'm probably going to be switching over to that other one soon. One more thing that I don't like about this is that it doesn't have as many serving sizes as other protein powders that I've used, but it's not completely the worst thing. So long as I'm getting something that's high quality inside my body, then that's something that's doable. That's not really an issue. But I do like bang for buck, so that was a little downfall. Not something serious though. So my favorite ways to consume this, my favorite recipes. So I already mentioned one. Sometimes if I want something thinner, I'll just do almond milk, ice, and then the protein powder, and then I'll just blend that up. If I'm looking for something chocolate peanut buttery, then I will do some of this with some almond milk, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and then I will also do some spinach inside of there and blend that up. And that is a good way to get some extra protein boost in with the protein powder. Another way I like to do it is with bananas. So I'll do bananas, then I'll do almond milk, chia seeds, and what am I forgetting? Blueberries as well. And then I'll blend that up, and that is oh so delicious. So that's a third way that I have consumed this. So all great ways. My favorite ways are with the almond milk, and anytime this is with banana, this is really good. So I just haven't really looked into other recipes because the ones that I mentioned are just so good. Like I always crave them. So Yeah, I haven't really ventured out, but I definitely do plan to, especially with the sports powder that I plan on picking up soon. If you like this video, definitely give me a like and a subscribe for more content that has to do with self-care, body love, and overall me encouraging you to care for you. Until next time, see ya. Bye.